Stay tuned if you want to see how I achieve these curls using a flat iron. First things first, we're going to get started using Main Mint Foam. You can grab that at mainlifestudio.com. And trust me, it is the best foam that you will ever use. So first I'm getting started by saturating her hair, and then I'm smoothing everything down in a position which I want to do the finger waves. So I'm just making sure the hair is saturated. And now I don't really have like a way that I start. Sometimes I start on the front, the top, the sides, the back. I don't know. It's just whatever I feel like doing. So I'm doing forward facing waves because she wants the flat style curls. So she doesn't want the curls picked up or anything like that. And so I'm literally just finger waving her hair towards her forehead. On this part right here, I'm actually slowing it down to show you exactly how to do a finger wave, because believe it or not, a lot of people still ask me all the time, and it's kind of hard to explain, but you're putting your finger and you're as the guide or the width that you want your wave, and then you kind of do like a C motion in the opposite direction. Put your finger back there, do another C motion in the opposite direction, lift your finger, and you just repeat the process until it's done. So the hairline, I call that the little razzle dazzle, because it does make a big difference in the hairstyle. Like I said, she's wearing it flat, so we definitely want to give her some razzle dazzle around the front. Take your time, don't rush this part. Sometimes you may have to start over, comb it out, and do it again, but this part is very, very important. And this process is pretty repetitive, so I'm going to go ahead and speed it up so you guys can see how to do it and I don't want to like bore you. So again, when I get to the hairline, I'm taking my time using the end of my metal comb to like do the swirls and just really giving the hairline a little bit of extra attention. So this is how she is looking. We're going to put her under the dryer for 45 minutes to an hour. And now that the hair is dry, we are going to get started with the curling. Now, the first curler that I'm using is Main Life's Collection, and it's our 3/10 flat iron. You can grab that at mainlifestudio.com as well. And the blue carbon comb is from Main Life again as well. And right now I'm just taking the flat irons and literally curling the hair in the direction that the wave is going.
Me twice.
Team DMS.
Okay, so this iron is a sample iron from Main Life Collection. It is a 1/2 inch iron. However, it's not for sale, but I do have some other irons that I recommend, and you can check out my Amazon store and look in the hot tools section.
Team DMS. Team DMS.
some Main Life Collection wax stick and just putting that on her edges so that when she lays down and tie her hair up, her edges stay in place. And this is Kenra's holding spray, and I believe it's the 25. And I'm also using the Babyless trimmer to trim her hairline. And this is the finished look. Y'all know how it goes. If you like that video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys again for the next video.